Hey Cajon drummers, and welcome back to another video. You know, I've got to admit that recently I've just been really into 90s stuff, like 1990s movies and music, etc. And of course I wanted to find some way to combine that with my love of Cajon. So we're gonna learn another song today, Bomfunk MC's Freestyler. I'm gonna put a link for the video so you can listen to it if you need to. If you know it, great, let's get started. The original track is a little bit over 160 beats per minute. So first of all, let's slow it right down back to 80 BPM and we'll break this groove down. Let's get started. So there we have it. You know, I love how there's this whole genre just of breakbeat music, right? So these kind of rhythms, I think they work pretty well on the Cajon, and it's a good opportunity as well to practice little rolls with the fingers, things like that. It's the kind of dynamic that I suppose is pretty prevalent in that genre of music. So working out how to play that on the Cajon, I think is really fun for me. And if it's not exactly your style of music, I think it's still gonna strengthen some pretty useful techniques and just chops on the Cajon that you might like to show off with at some point. Pretty good show-off kind of groove, right? This kind of stuff. Anyway, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. And next to subscribe, there is a button called Join. Join is for my members community. Have a look at that. It's where we do weekly homework assignments, weekly challenges. That's the kind of vibe right now. And we're working on some kind of deep Cajon concepts and using some kind of new exercises that I'm pretty happy with. I'm really enjoying where that's going. If you'd like to be one of the members, have a look. Click on the button, check it out. Until next time, happy practice. I will see you on the next video. See you later, Cajon drummers. Bye.